Ito, mahalagang simbol sa mga kapatid natin Muslim. Tama ba? Kung tayo ay Manila, God first, sa kanila, one God. Same symbol, same belief. Tama ba? Yes, I'm saying it. Arabian history. But anyway, again, my fellow Muslim brothers and sisters, maraming salamat for trusting the city government of Manila. Magandang araw sa inyo.
Sana proud na proud tayo na narito si Yorme Isko Moreno Dumador.
Upo kayo. Okay. Maraming salamat. Naarawa kayo masisira yung Chinchansu. Anyway, maraming salamat sa ating Vice Mayor, kapapakan natin Vice Mayor Chia Atienza. To our special guest, big time talaga Maynila. Pwede mo isang secretary at isang undersecretary at tumungo dito sa ating mumunting event. No? And because this will be the start of everything with regard to the halal industry. And I'm very happy and proud to say that everything starts at kilometer zero. Because Manila is the kilometer zero. From here, we go everywhere. And thanks to our DTI Secretary Maria Cristina Aldeguer Roque. At shout out sa mga batang 80s. Nanonood ba kayo ng mga TV show, noon-time show, noong araw? Alam niyo yung Aldeguer Sisters. Sila po yun. Pamilya po nila yun. Lagi ninyong kinakahangaan. Sana, Secretary, makita natin yung sample mamaya. It runs in the blood. But anyway, we're very happy and honored with Secretary Maria Cristina Aldeguer Roque. You coming here today in Manila. And of course, our Undersecretary of Tourism, Yusek Maria Paz B. Abubakar. To the Department of Tourism, Halal Tourism and Muslim Concern Office, at particular na sa ating DTI rin, Mr. Radia. No? Sir, welcome. Lahat of the DTI family who are here in Tourism family, department heads, particular na our Muslim, Manila Muslim Affairs, Director Amatunding, at ating mga kusihal na nandito. Tumayo naman natin ang mga kusihal natin. But again, to our co-workers and our visitors, let me remind you, remind each other. During my first term, while we celebrate today the Halal Festival, noong 2019 to 2022, if you remember, I asked the people of Mindanao to bring their goods, agricultural products, halal food, and all other agricultural supply dito sa Maynila. Kumalala niyo yung Mindanao food caravan natin na ginawa dito sa Cartilla. And that happened again when I assumed ang laki ng kinita. But more than kinita, like the TTI's goal through Secretary Roque, more than the kita, today is showing the ability and skills of any John Doe and Mary, Filipino entrepreneurship addressing such demand through their creativity. Nagkakaroon ng opportunity na makakilala sila ng direct nilang pwedeng supplyan. While it is true that it sold about in 5 days, I'm not mistaken, with Director Levy Facundo and Director Dizon, that food caravan coming from Mindanao sold 7 million pesos in 5 days here in Cartilla. So we did it in the past. We did it also a few weeks ago or a few months ago in Manila. But today, in our own little way, with the support of the national government through Department of Tourism, DTI, at ang masipag naming maabilidad na direktor ng turismo ng Maynila na si Crystal Pagaching. Magsasama-sama kami at patuloy namin ipalalaganap 2 birds in 1 stone. Food tourism in the city of Manila. That is our goal, because I do believe, particularly today's event, yung mga kapatid natin Muslim, ay tingnan nyo lang, pumunta kayo sa Quiapo. Ngayon, marami kayong makakainang malinis. Hindi lang ito pang Muslim. I would like to inform everyone, ha? Baka lang nagugulat kayo. Hindi, ang halal pang Muslim. No, tama po Secretary Roque. Halal is a system. The food is the same. What they eat, we eat. It's just that there is a process as a matter of respect to their beliefs and way of life. Kaya naman dito sa Maynila, in our own little way, as your government. Sa Maynila, bagay, alam to ng mga kapatid natin Muslim. Kabisado nila to. Sa Maynila, walang bakla, walang tomboy. Walang mayaman, walang mahirap, walang middle class. Walang Muslim, walang Kristiyano, o ano-ano pa rin yun. Sa Maynila, malaya lahat at welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. There is an equal opportunity for each and everyone. Your personal belief is yours, while your government is sensitive enough to address such industry and beliefs. Pero sa Maynila, pantay-pantay. Kaya itong mga kapatid natin Muslim, totoo rin po sinabi ni Secretary Roque, mas marami pa tayo sa Saudi in terms of population. And as you can see, I think out of Mindanao, Maynila na yata may pinakamalaking populasyon ng mga kapatid nating Muslim. So, to our brothers and sisters there who wanted to take the opportunity of growing market in the city of Manila and growing industry to the world, $1 trillion industry, in our own little way, I encourage you guys, and I want to send a message, you're always welcome to the city of Manila. You can live here, you can sell your product here, and in our own little way, as like what the directives given to us a few minutes ago by Secretary Roque, na ang Maynila ay makibahagi sa ginagawang programa ng DTI na makatulong ang local government unit in accrediting those body ay gagawin po namin. Didirektahan ko po si Levy Facundo na kung po pwede makipagtulungan sa DTI. Kasi sayang, napakarami namin dito sa Parola, may Islamic community. Sa Baseco, may Islamic community. Sa San Andres, may Islamic community. Sa San Miguel, may Islamic community. And of course, Quiapo area. So it's everywhere. And we don't forget who we are as Manileño. Madam Madam Yusek Myra, Manila is an Islamic community. It is who we are in the past. It is who we are in the past. We will never forget. While the world changes and we adapt it, but we continue to honor our ancestors and who we are. Sabi nga, ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makararating sa Paragonan. Rest assured to others like me, who is a Catholic, sa Maynila, pag nagkugobyerno na, lahat pantay-pantay. May equal opportunity sa lungsod ng Maynila. So today, to the participants, rest assured, you're always welcome. Tama po si Director Crystal Pagatsing. This is the start. This is the beginning of a bigger picture of Manila's campaign to promote food tourism. And one of the menu in the food tourism of Manila is halal food in the city of Manila. Certified, safe, recognizable internationally. That is our goal with this industry. So kami po sa maliit naming kaparaanan bilang inyong pamahalang lungsod ay patuloy at siguradong lagi with the Vice Mayor around and the members of the City Council, your entire city government will continue to support in our own little way your goals, the national goal, the aspiration of our Muslim brothers and sisters to excel, to have an opportunity in the city. We'll be there. Lagi namin yung kaming masasandalan. Sabihin nyo sa ating mga kasama, ay dito, dumako kayo sa Maynila, basta susunod lang kayo sa mga alituntunin ng pamahalaan, ay no harm will come to you. Manila is a big market. We have about 2 million nighttime population and about 3 million daytime population. That is huge. That is a great numbers. And there will be an opportunity for each and every one of you. Again, congratulations. Today is the window of opportunity. And stating, saying, lagi kayong welcome sa lungsod ng Manila. Magandang araw. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila!
God first.
Gusto ko lang yung